Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Addo and thanks for tuning in. And today we are going to Puri again by car. It is 4:30 in the morning and let's see how long it takes to reach there. I'll keep you updated. Till then, keep on watching. A road trip from Kolkata to Puri will cover a distance of almost 500 kilometers. That will take around 10 to 12 hours depending on the detours undertaken by you. Since it is a journey that takes around 10 to 12 hours to complete, you can plan it in advance. Puri is a home to the majestic Jagannath temple in Orissa. Famous as a beach destination, there are a lot of things to explore in and around Puri. Puri is also regarded as one of the heritage cities of India. If you're planning a road trip from Kolkata to Puri, then explore not only the beaches but also the historical and cultural flavors of this beach town. You can start your journey from Kolkata via the Kona Expressway and then take the National Highway. I have already made a video of Puri in Orissa and the things that you can do there. You can check out the link in the description box below. But today we will be visiting one of the heritage destination, that is Konark Sun Temple. Now Konark is about 32 kilometers from Puri, Orissa, and it takes about 1 hour by car. Now, if you are traveling by car, let me tell you, it is a safe and well-constructed highway on the way to Konark Sun Temple. Konark has a plenty of amazing locations that visitors can explore on the way. You can visit Konark Beach, Chandrabhaga Sea Beach, Ramchandi Beach, Ramchandi Temple, archaeological museums, and many more shrines and excavation. Make sure you have all the necessary information about timings and entry fees before visiting the museums and park. One such sea beach we stopped by is Chandrabhaga Sea Beach, and trust me you guys, the serene beauty of the sea is something worth keeping a memory. Now we have reached the destination and we parked our car, but the Sun Temple is 10 minutes walking distance from the parking zone. You can either take an auto, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes, or you can walk the distance. Konark is an ancient city with great historical significance. The mesmerizing beauty of the Sun Temple and the sprawling campus attracts thousands of visitors from across the world all throughout the year. This amazing land welcomes you with warmth. The Sun Temple of Konark is a World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO. This 7th century Sun Temple is also known as Black Pagoda, as it is built in black granite. Most visitors explore the Sun Temple Museum, maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. Now we proceed towards the ticket center. Now, the price of the tickets is 40 rupees for the Indian citizens and 600 rupees for the foreign citizens, and children below 15 years don't have to pay anything. A trip to Orissa is incomplete unless you pay a visit to the 13th century Konark Sun Temple. An archaeological marvel, this temple complex is built like sun god's towering chariot drawn by 7 horses on 12 wheels. The word Konark means corner, Kona, and sun means ark, is dedicated to the sun god. It was built at the mouth of the Chandrabhaga river, but the waterline receded over the years. It was so built that the first ray of the sun fell on the gigantic sun idol kept inside the main temple complex. And even today, you can tell the time by the rays of the sun falling on the wheels, which as sundials. And now we have reached the Konark Sun Temple. As you can see, I will take you through the entire temple. What are the historical significance of this temple? So please continue to watch. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century sun temple at Konark in Orissa, India. and it is assumed that this temple was constructed by King Narasimhadeva I of Eastern Ganga dynasty around 1250 CE. It was conceived as a gigantic solar chariot with 12 pairs of exquisitely ornamented wheels dragged by 7 rearing horses. Though today the temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and much of the structure has deteriorated, it is still one of the most popular temples in India. The structure has been built using black granite and it took 12 years to complete its architecture. What remains today are a few structures, an open-air dance hall and the dining hall. You will find exquisite sculptures all over the temple complex depicting scenes of women getting ready, men gearing up for war, and men and women trying different Kama Sutra positions. The reason for this, as explained by one of the tour guides, was to inspire people to have children and make love and not renounce worldly pleasures. One of the most fascinating things of this temple was that the sun idol was suspended in the air as there were magnets used in the constructions. So when you entered the main temple, you did see a tall idol in mid-air. For years, it was a mystery as to how this happened. People did not realize it was the magnetic field from all 4 sides that made this happen. But this also led to the removal of the idol. It is believed that this magnetic field affected the compass navigation for sailors, and when they were invading India, they ordered the magnets to be removed. Thus, the idol could no longer be suspended in the air. Today, tourists aren't allowed to go into the main chamber as it has been sealed. What remains today are a few structures, an open-air dance hall and the dining hall. The Konark Dance Festival that is held annually takes place close to the temple at a strategic location so that the temple makes for a backdrop of the festival. The temples of India are unique for its rich architecture and the interesting legends behind them. The Konark Sun Temple is one such wonder which you would find interesting. The name Konark derives from the Sanskrit word Kona and Ark, which means angle and the sun respectively. And the temple is dedicated to the sun god Surya. Each structure built in Konark Sun Temple represents the passage of time. The 12 stone carved wheels of the Konark Sun Temple represent the 12 months of the year. These wheels that are found at the base of the temple also show time. The spokes of the wheel form the shape of a sundial. The exact time of the day can be calculated seeing the shadow cast by the wheels. Each wheel here has 8 spokes, each representing a prahar, which is a 3-hour period, adding up to 24 hours, which is a day. The Konark Sun Temple was made from 3 types of stone. Chlorite was used for the door entel and frames as well as some sculptures. Laterite was used for the core of the platform and staircases near the foundation, whereas condylite was used for other parts of the temple. The Konark Sun Temple has abundance of sculptures that depict Kama, that means pleasure or love, psychological value. Dharma, that means righteousness or moral values. Artha, that is prosperity and economic values. And Moksha, that is liberation and spiritual values, that are the 4 major pursuits of life. At the entrance of the Sun Temple, you can find 2 lions at either side of the entrance that are seen crushing an elephant each. Beneath each elephant is a human being. Here, the lion represents power and the elephant portrays wealth. The whole illustration symbolizes the major problems faced by man in his life, that is money and power. The Konark Sun Temple is so unique for its rich architecture and the interesting legends behind it that from devotees to travelers, this temple sees a rush of people from every part of the world. So friends, I believe you love watching this beautiful Konark Sun Temple tour, and this is how beautiful it looks. Please come and do visit it. And if you really want to enjoy the heritage of India, if you want to feel the presence of what of the historical places of India, this is one must visit. I have put the details of this tour in the description box below, and I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.